Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the product. RallyRD is an online platform dedicated to simplifying the complexities of rally racing. It offers a centralized hub for all your rally needs, from route planning and navigation to team communication and event management. Whether you're a seasoned rally driver, a novice navigator, or an event organizer, RallyRD provides tools and resources to enhance your experience. One of the platform's standout features is its sophisticated route planning capabilities. Users can create detailed routes with waypoints, pace notes, and timing information, ensuring everyone on the team is on the same page. This level of precision is essential for successful rally racing, where split-second decisions can make or break a race. RallyRD leveraged GPS technology for accurate tracking and navigation, providing real-time location data to drivers and support crews. Beyond route planning, RallyRD facilitates seamless team communication. The platform integrates messaging and file sharing, enabling instant communication between drivers, co-drivers, and support staff. This streamlined communication is crucial for coordinating strategies, relaying critical information, and adapting to changing race conditions. For event organizers, RallyRD offers a comprehensive suite of management tools. From registration and scheduling to results tracking and reporting, the platform simplifies the administrative burdens of running a rally event. This allows organizers to focus on creating a memorable and enjoyable experience for participants. The user-friendly interface makes navigating the platform's various features intuitive and accessible. Whether you're accessing RallyRD from a desktop computer, tablet, or smartphone, the platform's responsive design ensures a consistent and seamless experience. With its comprehensive suite of features and user-friendly design, RallyRD is a valuable resource for anyone involved in the world of rally racing. It streamlines complex processes, enhances communication, and ultimately contributes to a safer and more enjoyable rally experience. So, head over to rallyroad.com to see how it can elevate your rally game.